I'm Ben from Taylor's Farm Shop in Latham, and I am one of the young butchers here at Taylor's Farm. We're all about local produce and everything like that. Like the cows are in the field at the back, and everything's just, it's a very, very family-run business. What we used to do to try and get the kebabs done, we used to have about 4 or 5 people around the table. Now there's only 2 of us to do them kebabs. So you're saving 2 staff members there, not faffing, where we can just get the job done a lot quicker with that machine than about 4 or 5 of us all stood around trying to thread by hand. It's just dead easy to reload, put your sticks on the bottom, put your meat on the top, and off you go. So you can literally train anyone on it. You don't need to be a butcher, you can be any person. I could train a customer right now how to use that machine. We have about 22 variants of kebabs from multiple flavours, from different source companies. We do a lot of pork kebabs, we do a lot of chicken kebabs, we do beef meatballs on the sticks too, what can also fit nicely in the machine because you have the portion guidelines there, what are absolutely amazing. You put anything on the kebabs. You can put like tomatoes, we put tomatoes, chorizo, chicken, pork, beef meatballs, and everything's, because the gel pads on them are that soft, it doesn't disshape any of the meat. It comes out as it goes in, and honestly, it's just dead straightforward. It doesn't mess anything up. You don't think they're gonna like get crumpled together, because how the machine is so soft on grabbing it. It's basically just doing it by hand, but a lot better and a lot faster. We go through probably about 120 kilo of chicken breasts in a week, for kebabs. So it's a lot easier and time consuming to put it through the machines. You're constant, you just pick the chicken up and it still keeps going. You're not threading with your hand. It's more human error than machine error. There's no errors with that machine. Kebabs are all really popular in the summer, but we also do sell them in the winter, and they still actually constantly go. If they're in the counter, they will sell.